Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, all signs. Okay, so checking ng emosyon, thoughts, feelings ni person mo ngayong week pagdating sa'yo, syempre. Okay, and yes, oo. Kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, message lang po sa akin pong FB page for more info. And kung may tanong pagdating sa ating mga items, okay, i-flex ko today. Oo, kasi hindi ko na siya i-flex nung mga nakaraan. So, ito yung ating Evil Eye item, Evil Eye Bracelet. All-in-one Evil Eye Bracelet. Ito po yung may initial po, ha. So, kung ito yung purchase ninyo, kailangan namin ng dalawang initial. Okay? Yung name ng magmamayari. Okay? So, dalawa yung bracelet natin. This is adjustable, okay? And handmade po, ha? Okay? Handmade with love. Oo, kaya made to order itong isang to. Kasi with initial nung magmamayari. Ito naman is same lang din ito, okay? Like unisex, okay? Pero this is garterized, okay? So, yan yung isa nating, dalawa nating bracelet. So, ito naman yung ating Evil Eye ring. Okay, so non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and adjustable po, ha. Napapasikipan, napapaluwagan siya. Okay? And yung ating Evil Eye necklace, same as yung ating ring, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and meron siyang extender para may adjust yung ating chain. Pero pwede naman kayong gumamit ng ibang chain if you want to. Okay, so ganito siya sa malapitan. Hindi siya nabibigyang hustisya kasi, yan siya po. Ha, meron siyang blue stone doon sa gitna. Okay, so pwedeng unisex kasi ano lang siya, ang tawag dyan, maliit lang naman, no? Okay, hindi naman ganun nakabunggahan. Okay, so next, yung ating love bracelet. Okay, pwede sa singles, pwede sa may mga conflict, okay, saka mga karelasyon, and doon sa may mga kahiwalayan. Okay, so kung anong kailangan at dapat na i-provide sa situation ninyo, yun ang ibibigay nito. Yun ang kanyang i-manifest. Okay? Pagdating sa'yo, pagdating sa love. Okay? So, kung anong kailangan mo at sa kung anong sabihin nating ikabubuti mo, yun ang ibibigay nito. Ha? Okay? Kung anong deserve mo, yun ang ibibigay nito. Okay? And, okay, si Granter. So, yan si Granter will help you manifest, okay, ng mas mabilis, okay? And ang tawag dyan, non-tarnish, okay? Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic rin, and yeah, this is 20 inches long yung chain ni Granter. Pero yes, again, pwede kayong gumamit ng ibang chain if you want to. Mahalaga lang dito is yung ating pendant, front and back, para siyang may glass. As you can see there, di ba? May glare, you know. Okay, so this is our original design. Okay, so Fiestaro lang meron nito, ha? Okay. So, and ano pa ba? So, okay. Kung ikaw ay mag-purchase nito, love bracelet nitong Granter, you have to wear your Evil Eye. Kung meron kayong Evil Eye to protect, okay, your energy. And yeah, whenever you're manifesting, kailangan nyo talagang i-protect, no, yung inyong energy. Okay? Dahil hindi natin alam ano bang meron. Wala pa man, ginagawa mo pa lang, minamanifest mo pa lang, sinasabotahe na doon sa kalawakan, no? Yung iyong minamanifest, sinasabotahe ng iba, mga bad energies, negative energies. So, you have to protect. Okay? And, yeah, yung ating pinaka-recent pa, no? Oo. Yung ating, okay, cord cutting. For cord cutting, so may mga nagtatanong, Ma'am Fia, para saan yung cord cutting? So, cord cutting, ito yung parang aalisin, okay, ikakat na yung mga, sabihin nating burdens, yung mga nagpapabigat para makausad ka, like whether it's people, situations, whatsoever. Okay, for me, okay, cutting off energies from the past na nagbibigay na ng hindrance or nagbibigay na ng kabigatan pagdating sa'yo, kaya hindi ka makausad. Okay, whenever na napopurchase to, ang dahilan ng iba is puro person from their past. Okay, so yeah, wala na kayong part na gagawin pagdating dito sa cord cutting. Ako na yung bahala doon. Kailangan nyo lang ito. Okay, this is to protect your energy para hindi na makabalik, okay, yung mga inalis ko. Okay, yung mga alisin natin. Okay, sana na-gets nyo. Meron namang i-reply si admin sa'yo. Okay, kung magtatanong ka, ano pa bang meron pagdating dyan sa cord cutting. Okay, so ito lang siya. Medyo bulky. Okay, pero yeah, you can wear this. Oo, this is necklace. You can wear this, or sabihin natin pwedeng ilagay mo lang sa purse mo kung medyo parang ang tawag dyan, nalalakihan ka. Okay, so hang on, sandali lang po ha, sandali lamang. Okay, so we're back. So yan lang po ha. Kung meron pa pong ibang mga katanungan, mag-message na lang po ha para masasagot ni admin. And syempre, kaunti ang pasensya kung hindi po agad na mare-replyan sa dami po ng nire-replyan natin every day. Okay, so kita nyo naman, nasa libo-libo na tayo dito sa ating page. And yes, thank you for supporting Fias Tarot. Okay, so let's start the reading. Okay, check natin emotion, feelings, thoughts ni person mo ngayong week pagdating sa'yo. Okay, pwede mong i-check yung iyong sun, moon, rising, Venus, and your north node. Okay, so Aries. Okay, let's see. Gusto kong kunin muna kung anong bang meron dun sa person mo. Okay, ano bang meron sa person mo, Aries? Sino ba itong person mo na ito? Aries placements. Anong meron sa kanya? Okay, the Two of Wands reversed. Pwedeng fire sign like you. Okay, what's with this Two of Wands reversed? The Nine of Pentacles in reversed. This person wants to give you their commitments. Okay, or maybe ikaw yung may gusto ng commitments pagdating sa kanya. Yeah, someone is in love. Yeah. Anyway, let's see. Let's check. Okay. Let's check. Some of you lagi itong gumagawa ng paraan para makita mo na talagang genuine yung kanyang love for you. Let's see. What is their emotion, thoughts, feelings pagdating sa'yo ngayong week? Okay, the Hermit, still looking, searching for you, or kung ano ba, sabihin natin realizations, maybe. Okay, realizations na sabihin natin pwede ngayon, yeah, this time they will commit na, parang ganyan. So medyo sabihin natin maraming nakita, maraming na-realize tong taong to, or nare-realize. Yung iba sa inyo, kung tinatalikuran nyo to, they're looking for you. Okay, this person wanting you. Why the Hermit? The Ten of Wands in reverse. Some of them kasi takot na mawala ka. Okay, or sabihin nating ayaw rin ito ng ayaw rin ito ng parang ang tawag dyan, yung idodrop na lang or susukuan ka. Ayaw niya nang susuko hanggat hindi siya gumagawa ng action, like ayokong sumuko kung wala akong ginagawa, parang ganyan. Okay, yeah, the Knight of Swords. Action at action. Itong taong to may chance na gumawa ng action if ever na hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng connection sa ngayon. Okay? Gusto ng taong to na gumawa ng way. Yeah, para walang masayang dito kung ano man to. Okay? They want commitments. They want you. They like you. Yeah, the Queen of Swords. Some of you, you have these legal issues. Okay? Hindi yun para sa lahat, pero yeah, may mga nare-realize ng tao to. May mga responsibilidad siya pagdating sa'yo actually. Okay? So, nawa, maging okay na tong sitwasyon. Ito specific. Some of you iniwan ka niya or sabihin natin nagkaroon ng issue sa past. May mga responsibilidad sa'yo tong taong to. I don't know kung ano. Okay? Whether pwedeng kasal kayo nito or may anak kayo nito, mga ganyan. Sa ngayon, by next week, ngayong week, okay, nakikita ko marirealize niya Okay, lahat. Kung anong mga dapat niyang gawin, kung ano bang pwedeng mawala sa kanya. So, yeah, may chance na gumawa ng action to ngayong week pagdating sa'yo, Aries. Okay? So, yeah. Yes. Okay. So, yun na akin nakikita. So, we have here fire, Virgo, earth, and yeah, fire. Okay, so next, Taurus. Okay. Hi, Taurus again. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Taurus placements. Let's see. Feelings, thoughts ni person mo ngayong week pagdating sa'yo. Tingnan natin. And yeah, check muna natin kung ano ba yung energy ni person. Ano bang meron sa kanya para malaman mong sa'yo tong reading. Ano bang meron dito sa person mo? The Ten of Cups. Okay. What's with that? Oh, what? The Nine of Cups. You see this person as your forever. May mga ganyan. Your wish fulfillment. Pwedeng vice versa. Or pwedeng siya, ganito ang tingin niya sa'yo. Yeah, okay. Pwedeng some of you hindi mo alam na ganun pala talaga ang tingin niya sa'yo. Okay, somebody is avoiding someone. Okay. Some of them, they're like, sabi nating materialistic. That's so specific. Okay? Madaling pasiyahin tong taong to. Parang ganyan. Like, kung bibigyan mo man, kung ano man. Like, sabi nating small gifts, food, kung ano man. Yeah. Marunong sila mag-appreciate. Something like that. Okay? Yeah. Let's see. Ano bang emotion, thoughts, feelings ng taong to pagdating sa'yo? Okay. The Chariot in reverse. I think itong taong to hindi to aalis sa energy mo. Okay? Some of them, kung may separation dito, hindi pa sila nakaka-move on. Yeah. In general, wala akong nakikitang action na pwedeng lumayo itong taong to sa'yo. Okay? Like, energetically, hindi ko nakikita. Okay? The Chariot in reverse. Yeah. They want you. This person wants you. Four of Wands. Okay? Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles. Itong taong to, sa totoo lang, gusto niya na ikaw na yun talagang makasama niya forever. Yeah. Hindi niya hahayaan na may mangyaring disconnect sa inyo. They see you as their forever. Their long-term partner. Okay, Ten of Cups, Nine of Cups. Yeah. Some of you, this is a strong connection. Okay. Kung may separation dito, nakakita ko ng gusto nitong magkaroon kayo ng pagbabalikan. Okay? Yeah. Okay, Five of Swords, Ace of Swords. Yeah, itong taong to talagang araw-araw kang iniisip. Okay, araw-araw kang iniisip. See, the King of Cups, they love you. Genuinely. Okay? Kung sino man to. Pwedeng Pisces. Fire. Cancerian. A lot of water placements. Okay? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay? So there, next. Gemini. Let's see. Let's check your person's emotions, thoughts, feelings for you this week. Okay. Some of you might be dealing with a Capricorn. Hang on. Okay. Kunin muna natin yung energy ni person. Ano bang meron sa person mo? Gemini, the lovers. Okay, so pwedeng karelasyon mo to ngayon. Kakonect mo siya ngayon. Okay? Or maybe you want a connection or relationship with this person. Pwedeng vice versa. What's with these lovers? Some of you might be dealing with a, sabihin natin, fellow Gemini. The world in reverse. You have this unfinished business with this person. Some of you, itong taong to, kakonect mo, pero parang feeling nila hindi pa ganoon. Hindi niya maramdaman yung kakontentuhan pagdating sa sitwasyon ninyo. Okay? Somebody is, sabihin natin, always playing the field. Okay? Yeah, playing the field. What's their emotion pagdating sa'yo? Meron pa rin itong hinahanap pagdating sa'yo, Gemini, itong taong to. Okay? Sabihin natin, magka-connect kayo. Pero there's this distance or sabihin nating blockage pagdating sa connection nyo. Okay? Emotion ni person mo ngayong week. Okay, the Four of Pentacles. Holding back their emotions, just keeping it to themselves, no? Ano tong Four of Pentacles? This person can't trust you. Yeah, they can't. Laging lang itong merong something sa kanilang utak. Okay? Yeah. Some of them feeling nila they're dealing with an immature person. I'm sorry, Gemini. Yeah. Okay? Itong taong to, nakakakita ko dito ng pwedeng meron pa rin kulang eh. Nakukulangan siya sa connection nyo. Yeah. Yeah, the Hermit. Always looking or searching for something na pwedeng, ano pa bang kulang dito? Parang ganun. Okay? Some of you, may anak na kayo or may, sabihin nating, matagal na kayong magka-connect. Okay? Pero I think, itong taong to, meron pa rin itong hindi mabitaw-bitawan from their past. The world is in the reverse. This is past baggages. Okay? So that is why, kung walang nangyayaring leveling up sa situation ninyo ng taong to, that's why, ang nakikita ko something na pwedeng nagiging dahilan kaya hindi nag-grow is because of the past trauma, maybe past baggages. Okay, so yeah, this is trust issue. The Nine of Wands in reverse, the Nine of Cups in reverse. Yeah, unfulfilled. Okay. Parang feeling niya hindi niya kaya magtiwala sa'yo, pero wala kang magagawa, magka-connect tayo or magka-relasyon tayo. Parang they're just accepting the situation kung anong meron. Okay, so we have here Earth sign. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We have here fixed sign, Taurus, Leo, Aquarius, and Scorpio, and Gemini, fellow Gemini. Yeah, okay, so next, Cancer. Okay, Cancerian. Cancer placements, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, anong emosyon ni person mo ngayong week? Okay, let's check your person's energy muna. Anong energy ni person mo para malaman mong siya ito? Let's see. Okay, the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Pwedeng Earth sign. Okay. What's with that Knight of Pentacles in reverse? The Six of Pentacles. This is something na pwedeng may may energy ng one-sidedness. Okay? Maybe you're dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay? Death is here. Some of you have this energy na pwedeng may nangyaring separation or ending sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Yung nanditong energy, I think this person wants you back, wanting forgiveness, maybe, or maybe ikaw itong gusto ng forgiveness from this person, pero they're not giving you. Okay, sabihin natin nagiging one-sided, like hindi ko nakikita dito na nagkakaroon ng magandang kooperasyon or naibibigay ba ng taong to yung gusto mo. Okay? Huwag niyong i-force yung message, okay, para mag-fit. Okay, so let's see. I think there's this blockage, kaya hindi niya maibigay yung dapat pagdating sa situation. Okay, pwedeng may mga ibang inaatupag to, mayroon siyang mga inuuna pa, kaya hindi niya maibigay. Let's see what's their emotion towards you. The 5 of Wands in reverse. They doesn't want drama. They don't want drama. Okay? Kung nakaka-sense ng drama itong taong to, they will say no. They will exit, the situation, the connection maybe. The 5 of Wands. Yeah, the 7 of Swords. Ayaw nila ng drama. Okay? Yeah, the Page of Wands. The Page of Wands, sabihin nating may mga sinisimulan. Okay, may mga sinisimulan. I think this person is, playing safe. They're playing safe. I don't know why. They're hiding something from you, maybe. Or something na talagang kailangan lang natin itong itago dahil kailangan. I'm sensing here, a connection na parang unrequited or something like hindi dapat na ibunyag itong connection na to kasi hindi pwede or hindi pa dapat. Okay, they're avoiding drama. Yeah, they are avoiding drama. Kaya siguro hindi niya kayang maging all in all out sa'yo dahil sabihin natin, meron pang mga inaatupag or inaasikaso itong taong to. Okay? They're playing safe, some of them. The King of Cups. But yeah, there's love. There's love. Maybe, ikaw itong love mo siya. Okay, you want commitment. I think this is sabihin nga nating tagong connection. Andun yung love, like genuine love. Okay, ng isa sa inyo. So yung isa siguro hindi pa niya kaya maging transparent or maging talagang sayong-sayo dahil mayroon pang mga pinagkakaabalahang pang iba or pinagtutuon ng pansin pang iba. Okay, the King of Wands is here in reverse. Hindi pa siya totally 100% na sure pagdating sa'yo. Pero gumagawa tong taong to ng something na sabihin nating actions to avoid drama. Okay, ayaw nila ng drama. Okay, so we have here air, fire, Pisces, big earth sign placements, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, next, Leo. Hi, Leo. Okay, so again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So let's check your person's emotion, thoughts, feelings this week for you. Okay, tingnan natin. Kunin muna natin yung energy ni person, ha? Okay, ano bang meron sa kanya? Sino ba ito, Leo? The 5 of Cups in reversed. Pwedeng water sign. Are they moving on? Or maybe ikaw itong nagmo-move on from them. What's with this 5 of Cups in reversed? Yeah, the 8 of Swords in reverse. This person is moving on from you, I think. Okay? Some of them, they're releasing yung sarili nila sa sitwasyon ninyong dalawa. Okay, ayaw na nila na magkaroon ng kung ano mang connection with you or something like, sabihin nating they're forcing themselves, no? Na hindi ka naisipin, na mag-move on na, pero nandun pa rin yung still, naka-attach pa rin yung energy niya. Okay? Let's see. What is their emotion towards you? We have here water and air. Yeah, burden. See? They're forcing themselves. Mahirap sa kanya ang ginagawa niya sa ngayon. Kung nagmo-move on, kung hindi na nagre-reach out, mahirap. Okay? Mabigat. The Ten of Wands. Okay? Why? Sabi ko nga kanina, still attached pa rin tong taong to. Still. Yeah, the King of Swords in reverse. They're unsure sa ginagawa nila sa ngayon. Okay? Nandun yung takot ng taong to. Nandun yung parang hindi siya sigurado, tama kaya yung ginagawa ko, kailangan ko na ba talagang mag-move on, like that. It's like, wala nang option, wala nang pagpipilian kundi mag-move on. Like that. They're upset. They're sad. Some of them, they're depressed. Okay? Halo-halong emosyon to, Leo. Halo-halo. Yeah, the Page of Wands in reverse. Hindi nila alam kung paano magsisimula muli. Pero, yeah, kailangan ko mag-move on. Parang ganun. Kahit hindi ko alam kung ano mangyari sa akin after. Ayoko mag-move on. Ayokong mag-detach kay Leo. Pero kailangan ko eh. See? Ganun kabigat. Ganun. Some of them talagang it's like head over heart decision pagdating sa sitwasyon nyo na to. They're being practical sa ngayon, or logic, pero talagang natatalo siya at natalo ng emosyon. Okay? So, yes, nawawala every time na busy, every time na may ginagawa, nasa work itong person or nasa school or whatsoever. Pero kapag mag-isa na lang siya, doon na siya kinakain ng emosyon niya. Okay? They're afraid. Unsure, sad. Okay, yeah, this person is maybe looking for someone to comfort them. Okay, some of them, they're still looking for you, still searching, still stalking you. Okay? Yeah. Sa bagay. Kaya siya nahihirapan kasi hindi rin niya matulungan ng 100% yung sarili niya. Pero they're fighting, making effort. Okay? Yeah. So we have here Aqua, Fire, Air, and Water. Okay? So next, Virgo. Okay, Virgo placements. Okay, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Virgo, what's your person's emotion, thoughts, feelings ngayong week for you? Pero check muna natin kung ano bang meron sa person mo. Sino ba itong person mo na ito, Virgo? Who is this person you're thinking about? The Ace of Cups in reverse. Oh. May nangyaring fallout. May nasasayang ba dito? Pwedeng water sign. What's with this Ace of Cups? Some of you, itong taong to is hindi pa rin totally nagbibigay ng, sabihin nating energy ng offering or love offer. Hindi sila nagiging transparent sa feelings nila or emotion. Okay? Yeah. Feeling rejected. Mayroon akong nakukuhang ganong energy. Yeah, the Nine of Cups. I think this person likes you. Anyway. What's with this Ace of Cups in reversed? What's with this? Ace of Cups in reversed. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. Some of them, they know they mess things up. Okay? Some of them, sila mismo yung sumasabotahe. Sa kanila emosyon. Okay? Yeah, the Hermit. This won't go anywhere. This won't sabihin natin hindi ito magiging okay, like that. Some of you, meron kayong communication ng taong to, or nagkaroon ng communication, pero hindi na ibibigay kung ano yung dapat sabihin, or hindi sila nagiging clear pagdating sa emosyon nila for you. Okay, let's see. Some of you, this is new. This is new. New person. Ano ang emosyon nila for you, Virgo? The Ten of Swords. Defeated agad, Virgo. Ano ginawa mo? They feel, defeated by the Ten of Swords. The Devil. Oh. Some of you, this is Capricorn. Feeling defeated. This person likes you. Yeah, they like you. They're obsessing. For some of them, they're obsessing over you. Yeah. See the Star. They like you. Pero yun nga lang, the Ace of Cups is here in reverse. Hindi pa nila totally sinasabi kung anong gusto or kung ano man ang emosyon whatsoever. Some of them, they're too toxic. Okay? Kung hindi man sila toxic pagdating sa ibang tao, they're too toxic pagdating sa sarili nila. Ganon sila. Okay? Sabotaging. Alam nila kung anong gusto nila. The Queen of Wands in reversed. I don't know who. Kung sino sa inyo ang merong kakonek. That is why. Isa po yung dahilan kaya hindi niya masabi yung totoo pagdating sa'yo. They're obsessed pagdating sa'yo actually. They want a connection with you pero they don't know how. And I think alam nilang sa iba sa kanila is hindi pwede na kumunek. Kasi somebody, maybe, meron ng kakonek ditong iba. That is why. Okay? What's with this Devil? The Four of Swords in reverse, they're trying to forget you. Yeah. Tinatry ka na forget ng taong to. Even though they're obsessing. Even though they like you a lot. Some of them, they're looking for something. Okay? Some of them, they're stalking you. Anyway. Gusto kong malaman, ano bang tingin mo sa kanya, Virgo? Ano bang tingin mo dito sa taong to? I don't know. Oo, nosy. Ano bang tingin mo sa kanya? The Five of Wands in reversed. Okay. Why the Five of Wands in reversed? The Justice in reversed. Ito yung parang taong nakikitaan mo na parang hindi mo kailangang gawan ng action or hindi mo kailangang gawan ng kung ano mang effort. We have here the Justice in reverse. Yeah. Pwedeng itong taong to, sila yung merong kakonek. Opo. You see this person na hindi mo kailangan gawa ng action dahil hindi dapat. That is why. In general, that is why. The three of wands. May energy ng 3. Okay? Meaning, hindi lang kayong dalawa ang parang nafo-focus sa reading. There's someone else. Okay? So, very good. Oo, si Virgo, kung ganito nga, no? Kung alam mong hindi dapat actionan, then, yeah, some of you, you're saying no to this person. Okay? Yeah, justice in reverse is, tawag dyan, injustice here, no? I don't know if this is infidelity or what. Okay? So, we have here fire, Libra, air, Capricorn, another air, and water. So, next, Libra. Okay. So, let's see. Your person's emotion towards you. One more shuffle. Libra. Okay. Emotion, next action. Emotion, thoughts, feelings ni person mo ngayong week for you. Pero check natin, sino ba itong person mo, Libra? Anong meron sa kanya? Anong meron dyan sa person mo? Okay, the Two of Pentacles. Some of you might be dealing with an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Or the Two of Pentacles in reversed. The Nine of Pentacles in reversed. This person is so afraid of the commitment. Some of them, they're not ready pagdating sa commitments. Yeah, maybe they're avoiding you. They're hiding from you. They're dropping you like that. Pero they want you. Yeah, pwedeng earth sign. Malaking earth sign placements. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. They're afraid. Yeah, afraid of the commitments. Not ready maybe. Let's see. Some of you there single. Okay? Yeah, hindi pa sila ready, oh. The Hermit, Virgo placements. They're not ready, maybe. Tingnan natin. Some of them, andun yung parang financially umaasa pa lang siya, umaasa pa rin siya sa iba to survive. Parang ganon. Okay? So, I don't know if this someone, yeah, see, the King of Pentacles, they're not, stable pa or hindi pa ready financially. Something like that. Okay. Ano bang emosyon nito towards you? Emotion, thoughts, feelings, pagdating sa'yo, Libra. The Sun. Yeah, this person likes you. They're looking for you. Okay. Are you dealing with someone who is younger? Some of you might be dealing with a younger person. Okay. We have here Earth sign, Leo. What's with this? The Sun. The Nine of Cups. Some of them, okay lang sa kanila na single sila. Okay? Some of them, they're like a loner. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, hindi mo pa ito nakaka-connect. Like, romantically. Okay? Hindi pa. Parang okay lang sila kahit wala lang kakonek, walang kakonek. Okay lang na kahit siya lang. Parang ganun. Hang on, sandali lang po. Okay. So, Libra. Parang yung ating ginugusto dito ay hindi pa ready, no? Pagdating sa tawag dyan, ano ba yan? Nabubulol ako. Sa relasyon, no? Pag-relasyon, hindi pa siya ready. Happy siya eh. Happy siyang tao. Yeah. Okay, mas ginugusto nito maging single. Hindi sila ready na makipag-connect, makipag-relasyon maybe. Okay. Yeah, the Three of Cups in reversed. Some of you ma-friend zone kayo nito. Or feeling mo friend zone ka. Yeah, the Devil in reversed. Pwedeng Capricorn, Leo. Yeah, all about themselves. Yeah. Some of them, they're young. Talaga. They're young. Page of Wands inverse. Or maybe they're just like immature. Some of them, talagang tumatawag pa to ng mommy, daddy. Libra. Okay? Oo. Specific yan na hindi yan para sa lahat. Hindi yan para sa lahat. Okay? So, yeah. So, siguro, gusto mo lang tong taong to or talagang attracted ka lang dun sa kanya. Let's see. Yeah. Hindi natin palalagpasin to. Okay? Tingnan natin, Libra, ha? Ano bang emosyon mo for them? Sheesh. Libra. Ano bang emosyon mo sa taong to? Okay, the Ace of Swords inversed. Hindi mo rin sure. Bakit? The King of Swords. Ah! The Ace of Cups. Yeah, ay kaya pala. Okay. The Ace of Swords, the King of Swords. Emotion mo. Playing safe. Yeah, playing safe. Okay, feeling parang pinapakita mo rito, i-detach ka, wala kang pakialam, silent ka, parang ganon. Okay? So, siguro, yeah. Meron ditong age gap. The Four of Wands inversed. Some of you, meron kang connect, Libra. Ginugusto mo lang tong taong to. No. Anyway, that's specific. Meron kang something. Ikaw yung may someone. Ikaw yung merong emosyon for them. Okay? Pero itong taong to, walang pakialam eh. I'm so sorry. Pero, they find you attractive. Okay? They find you attractive. Pero, hindi sila, yeah. They find you attractive. Pero, hindi pwede eh. Parang ganun, hindi pwede. Hindi pa ako ready. Or hindi talaga pwede sa sitwasyon natin. Mga ganung bagay. Okay? They just find you attractive. Yes. Pero mas maraming ganap sa buhay ito. Kaya sabihin natin hindi ka masyado napapag-isip. Okay? So there. So, Leo, Water, Earth, Aqua, Air. Okay, next. Scorpio. Scorpio placements. Let's see. Let's check. Emotion ni person mo for you this week. Okay. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, Scorpio. So, kunin muna natin yung energy ng person mo. Let's see anong meron sa kanya. The Justice. Justice. So, pwedeng Libra. Gusto mo ng balance sa sitwasyon pagdating sa kanya. Or maybe, gusto lang ng balance pagdating sa kung anong meron sa inyo. The Queen of Cups, inversed. Itong taong to sa tingin ko, pinoprotektahan niya yung sarili niya pagdating sa'yo. Kung ikaw yung nakakaramdam nun, pwedeng sa'yo yun. Pwedeng maging vice versa or flip yung energy. They're protecting their own emotion pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Now, the Empress Universe, some of them may anak. Okay? The Empress, Emperor, some of them may anak, some of them kasal. Specific. Okay? Yeah. Or maybe ikaw itong pinoprotektahan mo nga yung emotion mo for them or from them. Okay? Kasi alam mong hindi ganun ka-secure kung anong meron sa inyong dalawa. Let's see. Ano bang meron? Emotion niya for you. Let's check. Emotion ng taong to pagdating sa'yo, Scorpio. Okay. Yeah. The Eight of Wands inversed. So, hindi consistent or walang pinatutunguhan sa ngayon. Some of you, there's this blockage. Okay? There's blockage pagdating sa emosyon niya. Why the Eight of Wands in reverse. Yeah, the Two of Cups. I don't know kung meron talaga itong kakonek. Yeah. Seven of Swords, the Tower. Okay. Some of you, itong person na to is may something like sa tabi. Okay? I don't know kung alam mo na yon, kung aware ka na may kakonekto. Okay, anyway. So, kung alam mong walang kakonek, separation lang nandito, gusto niya ng, sabihin na, or maybe, sa sitwasyon, gusto niya nga ng pagkakaayos. The Justice is here. Pero the Queen of Cups is here in reversed. Andito na yung parang kailangan mong protektahan, or maybe siya, pinoprotektahan na niya yung emosyon niya pagdating nga sa'yo. Emotion niya for you, still attached. Okay? Pero the Eight of Wands is here. This is delays. It's not going anywhere. Walang pinatutunguhan. Parang walang ruta, walang direction. Okay? Like, yeah, dama kita, ramdam ko pa rin ikaw, something like that. Pero, yeah. Yeah, the Four of Cups. Somebody is upset. Feeling upset or depressed or overthinking, sad. I don't know why. May panghihinayang akong nakukuha sa taong to, Scorpio. Nanghihinayang sila. I don't know. Okay? Yeah, the Star in reverse. Feeling hopeless sa situation. I think itong taong to, they love you. They love you, Scorpio. Pero parang pakiramdam niya sa ngayon, walang patutunguhan eh, yung sitwasyon nyo. Yeah, the Two of Wands, they're on a crossroads. Like, may mangyari ba sa amin? Or wala? Ganito ba gagawin ko? Or ganito? Like that. Okay? I don't know if this is option. If this is pagpili. Okay? So, kung meron nga pagpili pagdating sa taong to, andun talaga yung sabihin nating hindi siya makakagawa ng action like 100% pagdating sa'yo kasi hati. Pero the emotion is there. Okay? Nandun yung emosyon ng taong to for you. Yeah, the Fool. This is taking risk. Meron pagpiling mangyayari dito or action na pwedeng mangyari. Yeah. May pag-iisip. May pagpaplano. Sa part niya to. Okay? Pero yeah, I think kaya kang ilaban nitong taong to kung meron man something na issue pagdating sa part niya. That's so specific. Ang nakikita ko dito. Anyway, so we have here Aries, Water, Fire, Water, and Libra. Okay. Next, Sagittarius. Okay, Sagittarius. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Sag, let's see your person's emotion, thoughts, feelings this week. Okay. Kunin muna natin yung kanyang energy. Ano bang energy ng person mo? Anong meron sa kanya? Two of Pentacles. A Juggler. The Juggler. Trying to balance kung anong kailangang i-balance. What's this? The Knight of Swords. Some of them, hindi sila ganun ka-consistent pagdating sa communication maybe, or sa action. Some of you, we have here third parties. Okay? Pagdating sa situation, that is why Okay, again, palalawakin ng ating pag-unawa sa third party. Okay, kung alam nyong walang person or romantic connection itong taong to, may chance na pwedeng trabaho, barkada, mga ganyan pong bagay ha. Something na nagbibigay ng imbalance or sabihin nating distraction pagdating sa union ninyong dalawa. Okay, so yun ang nakikita ko. This person is a juggler. Alam ng taong to na kailangan niyang umaksyon. Kailangan niyang gumawa ng aksyon. Pero nandun yung pagdadalawang isip. Some of you, ikaw itong nagdadalawang isip na kausapin siya or aksyonan siya. Let's see what is their emotion towards you. Okay, this week. Okay, the 6 of Wands. They want your attention. This person maybe will give you attention. Okay. Why the 6 of Wands? Yeah, the Devil. This is obsession. This is obsession. Ano nakuha ko dito, sad siya. Andito yung energy na parang idodrone ka niya. Okay? This person is watching you. Obsessing over you. Some of them, they're thinking of you sexually. They want sex with you. Sag. Okay, some of you, Sag, nakakita ko na dito ng specific message. Some of them, they will invite you. Like, next week, invite you, make an offer. Okay? Para magkita kayo. Parang ganyan. Yeah, see? The Page of Swords. Yeah, the Magician. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. The Empress. Meron ditong chance ng pag-i-invite mula sa taong to. Be careful. This person is watching you. They are watching you. They're like obsessed. Some of them, they're into this kind of stuff. Okay, they watch tarot. They know how to read tarot. Like that. Energies. Some of them, they're just too busy. Okay, they're too busy. They're getting a lot of attention from other people. Parang somebody is working online, have followers, something like that. Okay, that's, yeah, I'm channeling. So, kaya nandun yung sobrang busy ng taong to. Pwedeng ang tingin mo sa kanya is hindi siya nagiging available sa'yo. Palagi, like kang may kaagaw, something like that. Okay? Pero, I think this person is looking forward, na makita ka, makasama ka. Okay? Kahit marami siyang ginagawa or marami siyang inaatupag. They want you. They want to have sex with you. Anyway. So, air, Capricorn, fire, air, and earth. Next. Capricorn. Okay. Capricorn placements. Let's see. Okay, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Malaking help yan sa ating channel. Okay. Para ma-discover pa ng iba. Okay. So, Capricorn, who is this person? Let's see. Who is this person? Capricorn. The Two of Swords in reversed. Pwedeng air sign. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Who is this? Anong meron dito sa Two of Swords in reversed? The Six of Wands. Pwedeng fire sign. Air with fire. Aries, Leo, Sag. The King of Pentacles. Some of you pwedeng fellow Capricorn. Some of them, they're a businessman, businesswoman. Okay? Itong taong to, ito yung energy niya is something like sila yung sanay na binibigyan ng atensyon. Okay? Sila yung binibigyan ng effort. Hindi sila yung gagawa ng aksyon or what. Okay? May pagka selfish itong taong to. Yeah. Yeah, see? The King of Cups in reverse. They're selfish. Or maybe, sabihin natin, hindi lang sila talaga sanay na sila yung gumagawa ng effort sa ibang tao dahil sila yung sanay na parang sila yung palaging binibigyan ng sabihin nating affection, something like that. Okay? Hindi sila sanay na sila yung nagpapakita ng emosyon. Okay, they're guarded. Okay? Let's see. Ano ba ang emosyon nito for you, Capricorn? What is their emotion for you this week? The Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, yeah, this is ego, this is pride. The energy ng stubbornness. Okay? What's with that Knight of Pentacles in reversed? The Page of Swords. Some of them, this is immaturity. Some of them, they're just too immature or young, maybe. Some of you have this age difference, age gap. That is why. They're thinking of you. They're looking for you. They're like stalking you on your social media, like that. Okay? Pero yun lang gagawin niya. Small actions. Hindi mo malalaman na ginagawa niya yun. Yeah, this person is keeping tabs on you. Okay? Hindi sila magpapakita ng they're giving you sign na na-appreciate kanila. Kasi sila yung palaging pinapakitaan ng na-appreciate siya. Okay? Hindi siya sanay na siya yung magpapakita. I don't know why. Stubborn. Or ego. Pride. Ma-pride lang itong taong to. That is why. Thinking of you. Okay? Thinking of you. Yeah. The Ace of Swords. This person likes to communicate. They're looking for you. Social media. They're stalking you. Yeah. Pero they're silent. Detached. Pero they want to they want to talk. They want to communicate. Pero, syempre, okay, kung nandun nga yung parang pagmamatigas ng taong to, ego at pride niya nandyan, hindi ka talaga nito kakausapin, no? Oo. I don't know. Self-centered. Self-centered. Itong taong to. Ano ba nakikita nila sa'yo, Capricorn? Bakit sila ganyan? Why are they acting like that? Ano ba nakikita niya sa'yo? Yari. Anong meron? Aha, the Lover's Universe. Nakikita niya sa'yo is hindi ka niya pwedeng makakonect or you're not available. See? This is you. Your back is turned. Ayun ang tingin nila. Oh my God. Oo, hindi ko to malalagpasin. Kasi hindi naman to gagawa ng ganito kung ang nakikita niya sa'yo is open ka. Oh, like, hindi ka, I don't know. Please ha, Capricorn, please. Kung fellow Capricorn nito, pareho lang kayo ng ginagawa sa isa't isa. If you're stalking this person, then they're stalking you. If you're thinking of them, they're thinking of you. Oh, masaya na kayo doon, no? Oo. Ganon ang love story nyo. Ha? Ganon. Oo. Nakakaintindihan na lang kayo sa ganyan. Okay? I cannot. Oh, wala ka daw pakialam eh. sa love. So talagang poprotektahan niya rin yung sarili niya from you. Yeah, hindi ka nito para hanapin, hindi ka nito para i-stalk kung wala tong, kung di siya na-curious sa'yo, kung wala siyang pakialam or what. Okay? Kamusta ka, Capricorn? Ay, naku buhay. Okay, the magician. Somebody's too focused on their career, their finances. Somebody is sabihin nating mas gusto ko po ng pera. Sino? Taas kamay. Saan mo na paa mo? O, diba? Yun ang parang yun ang nakikita ko. Sabihin nating mas yun ang minamanifest mo kaysa dito. Okay, kung wala kang makikita something na action from them, abay, mas gusto ko talaga pera na lang muna. Parang ganon. Sana pera na lang ang lumapit sa akon. Parang ganon eh. Oo. Anyway. Dumidepende yung tao sa pinapakita mo rin sa kanya. Okay? So, yeah. Fellow Capricorn, Gemini, Air, Earth, Water, Air, and Fire. Okay, next. Aqua. Okay, oh. Aquarius. Okay, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see your person's emotions, feelings, thoughts this week. Tingnan muna natin yung energy niya, Aqua. Tingnan muna natin. At sino ba to? The Four of Wands Universe. Some of them specific, walang work, unstable. Pwede may nangyaring separation sa inyong dalawa. What's with this? The Seven of Cups Universe. Pwede may nangyaring on and off sa inyong pareho, sa inyong dalawa. Nitong taong to, whenever na may mangyaring hindi maganda sa kanya, ikaw ang takbuhan niya. Something like that. Okay. Parang feeling mo wala ka nang mahanap na iba tulad niya. Ano, Aqua? Parang. Or pwedeng siya yun. Parang wala na akong mahanap na iba tulad niya, Aqua. Anong emosyon niya? Let's see. Emotion. The Ten of Cups. Why the Ten of Cups? The Hanged Man. Some of them may ka-connect, no? Oo. The Ace of Swords, I don't know. The Four of Wands Universe, the Seven of Pentagon, Seven of Cups. Ang nakikita ko dito, there's separation. Masaya siya ngayon, actually. Okay? Ayaw niya maririnig yun. Okay? Masaya siya, pero yun ang kailangan ko sabihin. Iniisip ka niya. Iniisip ka nito. Some of them may ka-connect na bago. May ka-connect siya ngayon. I think this person, sabihin nating Kung anong meron sa kanya ngayon, kung ano nagpapasaya sa kanya ngayon, yun ang kanyang pagtutuunang pansin. Okay? Pero, yeah, the Ten of Wands. Kapag hindi na nagiging maganda at hindi na nagiging magaan yung sitwasyon niya, always si Aqua yung unang papasok sa utak ng taong to kapag kailangan na niya ng tulong or ng someone to comfort him or her. Okay? Yeah. The Queen of Wands, Universe. Alam mo, ang tingin sa'yo nito, Aqua, hindi mo raw kaya na mawala sila. Hindi mo raw sila kayang tanggihan. I'm sorry. Kung hindi mo yun energy, don't claim it. Okay? Meron akong mga binabasahan na ganun. Alam niyo sa sarili niyo na kayo yun. Okay? So, wag na kayo magsabi na hindi po ako yan. Wag na kayo magsabi. Madalas kasi sa mga nagsasabi ng ganun, in denial lang. Okay? Dinideny lang nila. So, wag na. Wag na kayo magsabi. Anyway. So, yeah. They're triggering you, I guess. This person is triggering you. Some of them, gusto ko nitong parang mahirapan sa sitwasyon mo. This is like a revenge coming from this person. They want you to think na masaya sila sa kung anong meron sila sa ngayon. Okay? Yung revenge nila is something like mayroon na siyang kakonek, masaya na siya, something like that. Pero this person is unstable. In general, they're unstable. Okay? This is a revenge. Wag kayong wag mo hayaan na matrigger ka ng taong to. Wag mo hayaan na parang makakuha siya ng reaction from you. Don't. Kasi malalaman na naman ng taong to na open ka pa rin for them. Okay? Tulad noon na ginawa mo. I'm talking to someone here. You're still open for them kahit ilang beses ka nang niloko. Or kahit ilang beses ka nang inalisan. Okay? So, yeah. Okay, we have here fire, Pisces, water, a lot of water, and fire, another fire. Aqua, alam mo, move forward. Siya yung i-trigger mo. Oo. Move forward. Okay? Magkaroon ka ng progress in general. Yeah. Siya yung parang kasi pinagsiselos ka eh. Some of them pinagsiselos ka. Ayun ang revenge eh. Revenge nila yun. I don't know why. So, mas maganda, hindi mo lang bigyan ng pansin. Wag mo lang bigyan ng reaksyon kung ano man ang meron. Okay? Pinakamagandang revenge is to grow. Kasi hindi sila nag-grow. Four of Wands, Universe, unang-unang card nila pagdating sa sarili. 'Di ba? Unstable. Anyway, so next. Okay, Pisces. Pisces placements. Hi. Okay, so again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, Pisces. Emotion ni person mo ngayong week for you. Tingnan muna natin yung kanyang energy. Ano bang meron sa person mo, Pisces? The King of Wands. This person likes you. They like you. Pwedeng tingin niya sa'yo is pwedeng ikaw yung pwedeng makasama long term. They're passionate. The King of Wands pwedeng Sag. The Eight of Wands. Some of them, they're controlling you. Parang sila yung may gusto na siya yung masusunod. Wala siyang pakialam sa mga sasabihin mo, I think. Okay? Iba sa inyo, hindi kayo magkausap nito. Or binlock ka, or binlock mo. Yeah, you have unfinished business with this person. Merong separation. Some of them, they look beautiful, they look handsome. Okay, they're attractive. They're attractive. Getting a lot of attention, maybe. Getting attention from other people. Okay? Let's see, what is their emotion for you? The Queen of Pentacles. Ooh. Why the Queen of Pentacles? The Hanged Man in reversed. The Magician. Yeah, this person is controlling the situation. Okay, some of them, nilalayuan ka, Pisces. Why? Dahil alam nila na ikaw at ikaw ang hahabol, ikaw at ikaw ang gagawa. Nako, magagalit na naman dito sa reading na to. Okay, again, kung hindi sa'yo yung reading, huwag kang magalit, ha? Huwag kang magagalit. Hindi naman pala sa'yo, ba't ka magagalit? Okay? Hindi porke Pisces ka hindi lang naman ikaw nire-read ko. Okay? So, kung hindi iyo, hindi sa'yo. Okay? The Nine of Swords. Itong taong to, wala itong takot pagdating sa'yo, Pisces. Okay? Ang iniisip nito ay kahit wala akong gawin dito kay Pisces, siya ang gagawa ng kahit ano para sa akin. They're controlling you. Okay? They are controlling you. Iniisip nila ay open sa akin to. Si Pisces. Open sa akin to. Alam ko, lahat gagawin niya. Kahit alisan ko to, tatakbo to, palapit sa akin, habulin niya ako. Yeah, I'm sorry, pero kung gano'n ang ginagawa mo sa ngayon, tigilan mo. Okay, tigilan mo na. Pinapahabol ka nito. Specific, attractive itong tao. Attractive. So, number 1 yun, ha. Pag ganun yung person mo, attractive, at sa tingin mo hindi sila consistent, some of them, they're giving you small to no communication. Okay? Alam ng taong to, ikaw at ikaw yung hahabol. Huwag mong gawin. Huwag. Okay? Specific to. Super. Ikaw, yung parang, okay, ako lahat ang mag-shoulder nito. Alam niya. Alam ng taong to, Pisces, na kahit ano kaya mong gawin for them. See? Somebody has, sabihin nating, yeah, their option is open. Kung hindi ka gagawa ng something, marami naman akong reserva. Reserva. Yeah. Hindi to takot na lumayo, hindi to takot na gumawa na kung ano man. Why? Inispoiled mo to. Binibigay mo lahat. Pinapakita mong takot ka rin. Or you're weak pagdating sa kanya. Alam niya. Yeah. Okay. So, I think, yeah, gustong-gusto mo tong taong to, so ayaw mo magkaroon ng fallout dito or ayaw mo manghihinayang ka, something like that. Pasensya na po, ha, sa ingay. Okay, so, yeah, stop mo na kung naka-resonate ka doon. Stop mo na yung ginagawa mo because they're playing you. They're playing you. They're manipulating you. Okay? So there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.